Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. You are on the best part of YouTube Learning channel, and in today's video we are just going to learn how to implement while loops with difficult complex data types as well as in Python. Okay, so instead of using for loops, how you are going to do with the lists and all by using complex data types that we are going to do in Python right now. So in our previous video also we just created two lists and we just created it as an empty list and then we appended to our main list. Okay, so that's what we done in the previous video, and now in today's video we are just moving on to the next with one more example. This also belongs to list. Okay friends, and please share, like, subscribe my channel, and it is the notification bell icon. If you hit this bell icon you never miss my updates and you'll get my updates regular. Whenever I uploaded a video you'll get it. Please friends, please comment me in the comment section if you have any doubts. Okay, now without getting late, we'll just start our video. So this is a while loop program, and I just said that even underscore list and or two lists I created empty, and then I just appended with the function what I want to do, right? So the same way, in another way, now we are going to move on with one more example. So with a while loop, now here I am just doing with Celsius and Fahrenheit. So consider that we have a list containing temperature in Celsius. We need to express the same temperature in Fahrenheit also. So I'm just going to write some degrees in Celsius, and that I want to convert into Fahrenheit with the help of the formula. The formula is nothing but, of course, we all know that 9 by 5 into Celsius, degrees Celsius, so whatever the value of Celsius, plus 32. And we need to repeat that calculation for each of the element within the list. That is C underscore degrees. This is something which can be done either for loop or while loop. But here we are doing with a while loop. In this case, we need to maintain index into our list. You print out Celsius temperature along with the Fahrenheit in two columns. This print in the top we will create the column headers. Ensure that the feature of this column has 5 characters. So I have to do it very carefully in this. So that is the reason the print statement is going to give with 5 exact spaces, and after that we will give with the capital letter C, and then we are followed by again 5 more spaces and with the capital letter F. So first only I created two columns, that is capital C and capital F. Now I have to assign all these values to capital C and capital F. Then we construct a while loop. Of course we check that the value of index is less than the length of C underscore degrees. We will not go out of the range of following that we initialize a variable C which contains the Celsius values and capital F which contain the Fahrenheit values, which is calculated using the formula. Here we use a string format in the print statement, nothing but percentile 5D. It is meaning what is, it is going to take only 5 character space into Celsius value, and D is nothing but the integer values it is going to take. Means you will never get decimal numbers. Okay friends, so in Python decimal number, small d is nothing but integer values, not in max. Okay, just be careful with this. So the format for in the print statement only we just written that percentile F dot 1 F. The meaning of this is nothing but your Fahrenheit will be in decimal values. So I'm going to take floating type data value representing by F is equal to percentile 5.1 F. Means before decimal point it can take up to 5 digits, and after the decimal point it is going to consider only 1 digit. So last line of the while loop iteration will increment the value of the index with 1. Now let us execute this. Now first we will write the code for this and then we'll move on for the execution. Okay friends. So I already said that I'm going to give some values for this. So C underscore degrees is equal to minus 20, minus 15, minus 10, minus 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I just want to give my C underscore degrees like this, and now I'm going to give index is equal to 0, and then I'm giving a print statement. So here I'm going to give 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and capital C, and again after this I should give 5 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and capital F. And now we are going to start our while loop here. While index is less than length of C underscore degrees. And now capital C is equal to C underscore degrees of index. And now capital F is equal to 90 divided by 5 into capital C, because the value of C underscore degrees will be in capital C now, plus 32. Okay, now I should go for print statement. Print percentile 5D space percentile 5.1 F quotations close, and then percentile of capital C comma capital F. So after this I should iterate my index value. Index plus is equal to 1. And now we'll try to execute this. If there are any errors, we'll see it. Oh wow, there are no errors and it executed very nicely. So this is what it is going to happen. So if you want to give some more things, it is going to give the values of this Fahrenheit after calculating. We will just reduce the space here. What will happen, we'll see. I'm just reducing one space, and now again Control Enter. Okay. Okay, instead of 5.1 we'll go for 2 more, and here we'll go for 4. We will see now what will happen. See here, you'll get very clearly that after decimal point 2 zeros are there, because it is a floating point variable. Just keep that in your mind very clearly. If it is a floating point variable, automatically it should come in decimals, and I just want only, after decimal I just want only 2 digits, not more than that. Okay, instead of 4 we'll go for only 2, because the first one will have 3 digits, so that is the reason I just go for that. Okay, I didn't find any observation here, we'll see it. We'll just keep it, let it be 5. Okay, instead of 2 we'll go for 1 only, because we are getting only 1 0, that is enough, and it is rounded off actually. So like this we can even use while loops like this. So you can create your own list and you can ask the Python to execute this, and just simple, we have here what we done, we just created our own list, that is C underscore degrees. I given some variables, I given some values. If you want, you can just change the values also. And then we created one variable called index, and we initiated to 0. So what will happen, the 0 means Python is going to consider -20 as 0 and 1, 2 like that. So it should take less than length of C underscore degrees, means in this from -20 to this one up to 40 it is going to consider, and all the variables of C will be going into C underscore degrees will be going into capital C, and that is the reason it printed a column over there. And then capital F, we did a formula, according to the formula it just done it. So after calculation we got the values like this. Okay students, I hope you all understand today's video very clearly. I just want to try to create, in the previous video we just created an empty list and we just append the list, and in this video I just given my own way of numbers. I just given some of my own numbers, and I just want to change that into Celsius to Fahrenheit also. So Celsius, if -20 Celsius is there, in Fahrenheit it should be written as -328.0. So like this I just want to consider all these things, and I just done it in this way. If you want, you can create your own if you want, you can create your own variables, or you can give any other things, or not only this, Celsius to Fahrenheit, you can go for currency conversion also, or length conversions also, weight conversions also. All these things we can do according to our own way, according to our own idea. This is my idea, I just implementing it. If you have any doubts, just please ping me in the comment section. And friends, please don't go outside. While going outside, just follow SMS. SMS is nothing but sanitize, mask, and one more S is social distance. If you follow all these 3 things, Corona will never come too near to us. Thank you friends.